back to my channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to freaking church camp.
Let's go.
For a week.
What? Kenny is home. It's not gonna be good. And it's not like we're staying in the room for long.
Did you name it? But I'm gonna be like eating along the way.
It was so cute.
We're about to go on the buses to take us to the camp. And why is this giving like I'm a streamer? Stop watching me.
This loser's on. How are you getting Wi-Fi?
How are you getting Wi-Fi?
Turn on like a light.
Chat, we're outside and I'm so hot. We're about to play tug of war, so I gotta go record that because I want to see that. But my lashes are off.
Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth.
All right,
I'm feeling romantic.
bro.
I'm a gangster.
What? So for one of our things we have to do is we have to make a flag for our team. Our team is Legendary Onyx X-Men. So we're making a flag and we're painting the letter.
Yo.
Madison is drawing the letters. We are the Legendary Onyx X-Men. Madison is still working diligently. Emery has a do-rag on. I don't think that's your culture. My culture is not your costume. I don't even. Amelia, Kaden, and Shilma are over here talking about something. I don't know.
Hi.
This is our first dinner at camp. You tie, you die, you tie.
How dare you get my brother out? How dare you?
Madison lost.
I didn't lose. I tied.
Same different.
You lost at the very beginning. I beat you.
Thank you, sir. All right.
The bottom's on
Everybody listen.
I don't care.
How many of you guys are ready for some more competition today?
All right.
So make sure you're paying attention. Then I'm going to go with the flags and tell you who won all the flag stuff. And then we're going to do... Yeah, just correct me. That was fun.
Shall we might win with our flag.
In fourth place for the flags, the Onyx team.
Head on each side. One more. Need one more.
Say hey to my kids.
Hey, Betsy's kids. Your name?
Bessie is a very bad kid. And she does very dangerous things all the time.
Yeah, she does drugs.
Don't say that to my kids.
And she writes dangerous books.
We're gonna have to bleep that out.
Onyx, 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 Onyx. My brother and my cousins are playing World Cup Wednesday. I got a Lamine Yamal jersey on. Today we also have the cheer chant rap, which is like when our groups come together and we do like a cheer chant rap on stage in front of all the other churches that are here and teams. Whether is if we have time today, we're gonna go around and interview some people. Teach me how to teach me how to honor. Teach me how to honor. Yeah. Teach me how to honor. I'm here. Thank you. Thank you. You're so pretty, by the way. Thank you so much.
Come on, guys. Come on. Hey, I have a question for you. Okay. So who am I here with?
Marcus Elijah Johnson, the GOAT.
Okay. Whole name. All right. So who's your celebrity crush?
Coco Jones.
Hey, I know that's right. Oh, what's your name?
Malik.
Full name.
Maliki Amari Francis.
Okay. All right. Who's your celebrity crush?
Megan Fox.
That's so simple. Okay, guys, mine's Michael B. Jordan,
That's also simple.
but he's so fine. Where did he go? Wait, where's he at? Is he in there? Yeah.
You want
Oh.
to be in it?
You wanna be in it?
I want to be famous.
What's your name?
Jemiah. My name is Jemiah.
Hey.
What are we looking for?
We're asking people questions.
Okay.
So who's your celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush? I don't know his name. That's crazy. I don't know the man's name.
What does he look like?
Black. That's about the best.
That's real. That's real. Hello? Who am I here with today?
PJ.
What's your full name?
PJ Brown.
I guess. Who's your celebrity crush?
Pink Panthers.
Okay. Who am I here with today?
Drake.
Your full name?
Drake Close.
Yeah, middle name?
Y'all need the middle name?
Yeah. Tom?
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's new. All right. Who's your celebrity crush?
It's like Milan something.
Milan.
Money Long? No.
Money Long.
Hello. Can I interview you?
What?
Can I interview you? Okay, who am I here with?
Who am I here with?
Yeah.
Mike, you know?
No, what's your name?
Oh, Jasper.
Okay, so we want to know what's your favorite thing about camp so far?
I don't know, sleep at this point.
Sleep. That's great. Great, he said sleep. Yeah. What's your name?
Pardon? I can't hear you.
What's your name?
Clay Jetton.
Okay. What's been your favorite thing about camp so far?
Service.
Service. Hey, you. Who am I here with?
Genesis Brown.
I want to know what has been your favorite thing about camp this year?
If I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm really feeling the connection. You know, I feel like even if the pastor, I'm talking too much. Being here with my friends.
Great answer.
You're not my friend.
I'm her cousin, even better.
Christian.
What's your full name?
Christian Askew.
All right. What's been your favorite thing about camp this year?
Worship.
Period. Hey, who am I here with?
What?
Who am I here with?
I'm sorry?
What's your name?
Jack.
Okay, what's been your favorite thing about camp this year?
Probably Gaga Ball.
Period. That's great.
Wait.
Who am I here with?
Caden.
All right, what's your full name?
My full name?
Yep.
Caden Wooten.
Okay. What's been your favorite thing about camp this year?
Probably the games.
Who am I here with?
Emery.
What's your full name?
Emery Elise Peak.
Okay. What has been your favorite thing about camp this year?
My fan.
Period. How does it feel being one of the oldest people here?
It feels wonderful. I get to prey on all the little kids. I'm just kidding. I'm not a pedophile.
We're outside, we're about to play another game. Involves water. What? Let's play another game.
3 years ago today, I lost it all. I want it back. I want the I can't even do it. It's actually down there.
I like that you're banning me though.
It's stank out here.
Team, fire it up! Fire it up, Onyx team, fire it up! Fire it up, Onyx team, fire it up! Fire it up, Onyx team! What? Onyx got that
When they're done, cheer for them. But we gotta move quick through this. So you gotta get up, get set, let's go. Mittens! Chains! Mark chapter 12, verse 30. For you must love the Lord your God
With all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, and with all your strength.
Angels.
Angels.
Our name is Onyx, and we're the best. We can't stop on the devil's chest. Our name is Onyx, and we're the best. We can't stop on the devil's chest. Our name is Onyx, and we're the best. We can't stop on the devil's chest. What?
We have to stay up because we have to make a wrap for, and it's going crazy.
Y'all, I feel bad when I'm wrong.
Guys!
Sorry. Tori. Girl.
Is this look good?
I don't see
Can you put the other one in the... one more balloon on the side.
Oh my god.
That looks good, that looks good.
Okay. She's dying. Tori.
I quit. No, what if it's like poop? We're going across right now. We're being a lot of help right now. Let her do it. Let her do it.
Everybody chill out. He's popping my...
I didn't even see left. He came back with a camera.
Because just literally look her up and down, like never, like I'm always. That was disgusting. That was disgusting. Everything.
Oh my god.
And then who said it? It was like you're super your dress. She said, who's talking to you?
Why are you still in your dress, actually? I just noticed that.
But it was.
1, 2, 3, 2.
Bro, we just did the relay. We're first! How was it? We're first! We're first! We're talking about hitting it! Honest gonna win it! Talking about hitting it! Honest gonna win it! I swear we were losing. I swear.
supposed to say praise the Lord. Come on, man.
Praise the Lord. Two. Wait, I'm trying to get two.
Okay, guys, see this? We did these because we won. And the only reason we won is because of our beautiful teams.
It's because of Jesus! We won!
The video?